We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city and comune in the metropolitan city of Bologna, Italy, particularly famous for its racing track. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting names from Formula 1 as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So in English, this is often pronounced as Imola or Imola. In Italian though, this is said as Imola. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Imola. Imola is how you can say it rather correctly in Italian, and now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from Formula 1, car brand names and more Italian names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.